In this lesson, we are going to talk about the while loop. And this is the second type of loop that we have in R. I'll create a section for this. Now for while loops will continue to run forever until a condition is false. As long as the condition is true, it keeps running. So let's take an example. We have I is equals to 0, or let's say x is equals to 0, and we pass in the while and say x is less than 10. So as long as this condition is true, whatever I'm going to write in this block of code, we keep running. So let's do this. I have print x. One thing about while loop is that you should always find a way to update the conditions here. If the condition is just the same forever, it will keep running. And to do that, you have to update this x. So we can say x is equal to x plus 1. And so once this run, x gets updated, it keeps getting a new update until it stops running. So if we run this, we have this 0, 1, 2, 3. The first thing is it printed x originally in its natural state, which is 0. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It keeps updating, which is x plus 1. X plus 1 for the first time, that was 1. Then now we have 1 here. 1 is less than 10. True. Then we print 1. X here, x plus 1 is where the update is being done, and it keeps updating it. As long as this condition is true, it keeps running. Now when x equals to 9, 9 is still less than 10, so it continues. But now x is equal to 10, and because x, which is now 10, is less than 10 is equal to false, we won't get a print. But if we have less than or equal to, we still get a print. So let's try this. Oh, I have to update this now. Then this, you see we have 10, but now we can't have anything more than that, and that's because we've already stopped it here. And that's what the while loop does. It iterates, it continues as long as a condition is true. There are some parts that I do not include in this lesson, and that includes statements like the break statement, the next statement, which are also important, but they're not that difficult, so you can read up on it. And that brings us to the end of the control structure. In the next section, we are going to discuss about packages. And packages are like really interesting. They are useful. They make R colorful, and they extend how much you can do. We are going to have a short intro of package, then we're going to installing packages properly after that. See you in the next lesson.